Here, go that way. Go that way.
Oh my god.
Breathe, Ethan, breathe.
No, oh no.
Oh gosh.
No.
Ew, smell his stinky foot.
Bite his toes. Bite his toes.
Get his toe. Ew, oh, gross. That's disgusting. Oh, nasty. Ew. Did it taste good? Was it yummy? Boys are so gross. Ethan, get your dad. Get your dad.
Yes, Daddy. Oh, yeah.
Dad just gets over his migraine, so we're going to beat him up.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that monkey.
Oh, jeez.
I love doing this. Oh, yeah.
Aw, buddy.
Now it's gonna get to a second of beating up people.
I'm not taking a picture. It's video. It's different.
You were so trashy.
What's wrong? What is the deal? It's your fault. Your fault, child. Me to your brother. He's your little brother. Ethan,
Oh, shush it.
Ethan, you should beat him up. Don't put up with that. Come get your brother.
Baby.
He's hiding.
I know.
Ethan, come here. Okay, I'll go back in the bedroom. Come on.
You get thrashed when he comes in here.
All right, I'm going to turn it off since Ethan's not participating.
Oh, baby.